Its song premiere on Tuesday for November 4th, 2025. Happy birthday to Callie, most importantly, who just finished the New York City Marathon. 4 minutes 15, no, 4 hours 15 minutes. So proud of her. And not just, I mean, that was on Sunday. If it was just, that would be like 48 hours. So, thank you for being here. A song to remember summer as it's fading. I like to eat 'em fresh or let 'em dry, make preserves or a pie. Gotta let 'em sit, but not too long. While I wait, I can sing this song. 'Cause I've been to the mountains, I've been to the beach, but my favorite vacation is a summer ripened peach. Juicy and firm, delicate and sweet, against my lips, on my teeth. Got a fuzzy skin, tickles my mouth, but it's what's inside that counts. 'Cause I've been to the mountains, I've been to the beach, but my favorite vacation is a summer ripened peach. Got Arctic Supreme and Blushing Star, Honey Baby and Bellaire, Indian Blood and Saturn, and June Gold hanging there. Come from Carolina and from Georgia, it's a real short time, they're here for you. Just yesterday I bought another case, and I got that juice dripping down my face. 'Cause I've been to the mountains, I've been to the beach, but my favorite vacation is a summer ripened peach. Yes, I've been to the mountains, I've been to the beach, but my favorite vacation is a summer ripened peach. Still got some drying in the refrigerator. Thank you very much for being here.